Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to migrate from ClickFunnels 1.0 to ClickFunnels 2.0, and I'll actually show you the tool that you can use to migrate from ClickFunnels 1.0 to ClickFunnels 2.0. So, as you know, we want to migrate from ClickFunnels 1.0 to this ClickFunnels, which is 2.0. What we can use is a tool that's called Move My Funnels. This is the tool, basically. It's tool by Guston, as you can see, Sun right here. You can see. As you can see, you can move your funnels to ClickFunnels 2.0 in just 10 seconds. This is great tool, by the way, because you can actually buy your lifetime access, right? Which is, again, I will show you the price. Then you need to download the Chrome extension and install it on your browser. And all you need to do is, once you're in ClickFunnels 1, you need to click on that Chrome extension, copy the ClickFunnels template, and then what you need to do is you need to go to ClickFunnels and just again click on the Chrome extension and paste it. It's that simple, right? So as you can see, here's the plan. You have $497 one-time payment, no monthly fees, nothing. This is a business plan. If you want to get started with an agency plan, which is a lot of plans, right? Then this is for 100 ClickFunnels accounts. You can do this for just $997, which is great, right? So that's basically how you can do this. Again, it's not free, obviously. If you want to do it free, then all you have to do is basically export your contacts from your ClickFunnels account and then import them into your ClickFunnels 2.0 account, and then you can create funnels from the scratch again. But yeah, that's just not really that realistic. It will take some time, and you will not have the exact designs in ClickFunnels 2.0. So that's basically how to do it. It's basically a tool. I just want to show you this tool because it's a great tool that you can use to obviously get started. And obviously, if you have any questions or comments, you can click here and copy this email and contact this email. But this is how you can move your funnels from ClickFunnels 1 to ClickFunnels 2. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.